I wanted to try a new hack that I heard of, that I saw, for how to remove the nail polish strips. Hey Doris, I have somebody watching. I don't know if this is going to work, but now I have somebody witnessing it. So this is a bowl here with hot water in it, and I have a Ziploc bag. So what I need to do is, we'll see if it works. By the way, Doris, thank you so much for the Color Street Lives. I always have extra guys because of you. Thank you. All right, so I'm putting some nail polish remover in the bag. About that much. And I'm putting the bag in the water. Why? I don't know. But I'm going to try. So I'm going to take my hand and let's see. I don't have a timer because I'm using my phone, but let's see, my computer says 8:14. So I'm going to stick my fingers in here, and I am just going to wiggle them around, rub my nails, and just do this for a minute or so, I think, and see what happens. Let's see, Doris. Doris, I haven't received those nail strips yet, but when I do, I'll let you know. Let's see. Oh, so what I had on my nails, is this. So it was the Giza Sands on top of the Tokyo Lights. So the Tokyo Lights is a glitter, and you can see already the top layer is off. All that's left is the glitter. So now we're working on the second layer. And I'm kind of, glitter is a little tricky, so I'm kind of scraping, rubbing. But I can actually feel like it's gooey and stuff coming off, which is pretty cool because when I put it in that thing that I stick my finger in it and I scrub, it's one finger at a time. Yeah, I still have glitter. I know glitter takes time. So this is the non-acetone nail polish remover. If it were acetone, I can tell that it would work a lot better, but I don't like to use acetone, so I'd rather take the extra time. Let me just see something. Oh, let me take my hand out for a second. Oh, look at that. It's rubbing off. Okay, I just have like a couple of little spots. Let it soak a little bit more. I don't know why this works inside of a hot bowl. Like, why wouldn't it just work without the hot bowl? Maybe that's what I'll try next time. Yeah, right? Let me scrape. It's not focused. Hold on. Look at that. It works. It really works. And it's 8:17, so that took 3 minutes. Wow, I'm so excited because it's faster And I don't know, I feel like it's more gentle on your nails. It worked, Doris, and you witnessed it live. Yeah. Tell your friends. Now I just have to do my other hand. Oh, somebody else is watching. Why aren't they fessing up? Who's on here? Say hi. Did you watch the demonstration? I just took the nail polish off of my right hand in 3 minutes, and it included a layer of glitter nail polish. Now I'm doing my left hand. Who are you that spy? Somebody's spying on us. All right. Don't tell me who you are. Thought we were all friends in this group. Let me rub them and then, wow. They're being shy. That's okay. I'm not shy. You're not shy, Doris. Okay, so it's been about 2 minutes. Jennifer, how are you? Did you get your mineral fusion? I was taking my blood pressure and couldn't type. Sorry. Is your blood pressure okay? I have high blood pressure. This is great news. I'll have to try. Yeah, it is. So now I'm going to try and a couple of stubborn glitters, but they come right off with my nail. So yeah, see, they have that glitter there. But that's always a problem, even with the scrubber. Comes right off, though. Done. All done. I started it at 8:14. It's 8:21, so that's 7 minutes. I am done. I have dirty nail polish remover, which I will throw away. And a bowl of hot water, which I will throw away. And that's that. The new hack works. Tell everybody. Thanks for popping in, guys. Unless you have a question. Well, I hope your blood pressure was good, Jennifer. And thanks for hanging around, Doris. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye.